right, guys. That is one of the most fun things we do right here at Wheels Through Time. Burnouts, and before we do a couple more burnouts here inside the museum, big announcement. So right now our top donor, Granville Tracy, one of our members here at the museum, Granville's contributed a ton to our Kickstart challenge already. As of right now, Granville is going to be matching the next $10,000 in donations for our Kickstart challenge, guys. So big news right now. Your donation goes twice as far. So far we've raised, I think, upwards of $60,000+, and with your help and with Granville's help, we're going to get to the next level, guys. So fire suppression system, big cause here at the museum. We're well on our way to hitting our goal at the fundraiser, thanks to what you guys are doing, thanks to what Granville's doing. We're going to lay down some more burnouts here right now. Before you guys go anywhere, make sure check out wheelsthroughtime.com/Kickstart. Help this museum keep moving the ball forward. Fire suppression system well underway with you guys' help. So we're gonna crank this thing up and drop a few more burnouts down the main aisle there. I think the last one might have been 20, 30 feet. We'll see if we can bump that up a little bit, guys. Thanks for tuning in.